Hey guys, we are back today on the Samsung Galaxy A05. We'll be doing the hard reset of the Samsung Galaxy A05. Before I start the video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel below. Click on the subscription button below. So as you can see, the phone is perfectly working well. So first of all, you have to power your phone down. Make sure your phone is fully off. Now your phone is fully off. So now you're going to press the power button and the volume plus. The power button, the volume plus at the same time. Power button, volume plus. Then you remove your hand on the power button and keep holding the volume plus. As you can see, the the Android recovery system is up. So you're going to use your volume button to do the selecting. The volume up and down button for the selecting. As you can see, up and down. So you swipe down to where you see swipe data factory reset. Then you use your power button as the entry key. So now you press the power button and you select factory data reset. Factory data reset. Then use your power button to enter. Then a notification will come up here that your swiping data completed. You can see you put it, everything is completed, swiping data. So now what you're going to do, you use your volume button to select reboot now. You can see reboot now at the top. So you use your power button to press enter. As you can see, we have finally rebooted, hard reset the Samsung Galaxy A05. For more videos like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel below. So you can see the setup system is up, as clean as new. So you can set up your phone the way you want your phone to be set up. So you can see everything has been cleared out of the phone. There is no password. Everything is working perfectly well. All the apps are cleared. No data on the phone. Every single thing has been wiped. Kindly click on the subscription button below for more videos like this.